Welcome to Bike Buzzing. In today's video, we'll be taking an exciting look at the 2025 Kawasaki KX500 dirt bike. Kawasaki is a brand that has long been a powerhouse in the off-road world, and the KX series has always been known for its high performance and rugged durability. So what can we expect from the new 2025 KX500? Let's dive into the details. Design and build. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 is a true testament to the power and performance that Kawasaki is known for. Sporting a sleek and aggressive design, this dirt bike not only looks great but is also engineered for precision and handling on tough terrains. The KX500 maintains the classic green and black color scheme, with modern updates to the frame and bodywork for better aerodynamics. The lightweight frame is designed to provide maximum control, especially during tight maneuvers and challenging tracks. The bike features a high-strength aluminum frame and top-tier suspension components, ensuring that riders get the best combination of stability and shock absorption. This design offers a smooth, controlled ride even in the most rugged off-road conditions. Power and engine performance. Now, let's talk about the heart of the 2025 KX500, its powerhouse engine. Equipped with a 500 cubic centimeters, two-stroke, single-cylinder engine, the KX500 is engineered for raw, unrelenting power. It delivers incredible torque and acceleration, making it ideal for aggressive riders who need performance at the highest level. The engine has been tuned for improved fuel efficiency without compromising on power output. This new version also includes advanced tuning options and an upgraded exhaust system, ensuring smoother throttle response and optimized performance across various riding conditions. Whether you're climbing steep hills or tearing through muddy trails, the KX500 offers an adrenaline-pumping experience every time you twist the throttle. Suspension and handling. Handling is key for any off-road bike, and Kawasaki has not overlooked this in the 2025 KX500. The bike features an updated suspension system that includes a fully adjustable front fork and rear shock. This means riders can fine-tune the suspension to match their specific riding style and the terrain they'll be tackling. The KX500 suspension offers exceptional performance, giving you a plush ride while absorbing all the bumps and impacts on rugged trails. The balance between the suspension and the frame design ensures that the bike maintains stability even when navigating high-speed rough patches or rocky trails. Durability and reliability. Kawasaki has always been known for building bikes that are not only powerful but durable as well. The 2025 KX500 is no different. It's designed to take a beating and keep going, making it perfect for long rides, tough conditions, and even harsh weather. The components are built to last, from the frame to the engine, ensuring that this bike won't let you down when you need it the most. Kawasaki has also made sure that